Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me today. This is the look that we are going to achieve. Y'all know this is not my zhuzh, but I decided to step again out of my comfort zone because I can. I have the time. We all do. Okay, let's learn something new. So I just decided to step out of my comfort zone with this bright yellow eyeshadow. Y'all know I wasn't gonna do too much with it as far as doing a bold lip and stuff like that. I'm taking baby steps, y'all. I'm just creeping, just taking baby steps. I enjoyed the way that this look turned out. I used a couple products, all sponsored by me. No one else. I put a couple little, chopsticks in my hair and a little hoop earrings on, just to kind of like, bring the look together just a little bit. I don't know, but I did it. I enjoyed how the look came out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the details below if you would try this look, and if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with one of my favorites, the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Skin Base. Next we're going to go in with my MAC Strobe Cream. Now we're going to get into the eyes. I'm going to get these brows set with my NYX gel today. And I always start at the tip just because I feel like that's the sparsest part of my brows that need the most saving. So I always start at the tip of the brows and actually just build onto there. Also because, wherever you place your brush first is where most of the product goes, and I'm okay with most of it going to the tail end of the brow. Make sure you brush that product through. If you are not familiar with the NYX brow gel, it lasts all day. Like, it is a product that you don't have to worry about your brows shifting at all. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and clean up under the brows. And I always use, it's still very, very close to my skin tone, but it's a lighter concealer that's I use on the bottom to help further set them in place. All right, because we are doing color today, I'm going to go in with my MAC Paint Pot. I just work it in the crease and make sure it's buffed out. All right, so we're going to go into our Ace Beaute Vintage Dawn palette and tap right into the oranges. And press that into the crease of the eye. And you know how I do. I press it in and then you can blend to make it look seamless. Now we're going to go in with Fade from the same palette. Place that right up under. I'm going to pop into a little bit more of the primer. Okay, so here I'm just deepening the creases of the eye right here at the corner with the same color, the fade color. All right, y'all. So now we are going to go in with our pop of color. We're gonna go in with this yellow right here. And we're just laying it down where we carved out the crease. I don't know if I would wear it out. I don't know if I would wear it out. It's a bright color. It's very like attention seeking. Yeah, it's a color to have on the eyes. We're gonna see. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna pop on some liner. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Bolder than an everyday lash for me. But you know, you do with it as you will. I tend to look down. I hold the mirror up under me so I can get as close to the lash line as possible. We have already primed our face, and now we're gonna go in with our color matching. So for concealer, we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place number 7 and number 9. A little bit in the center of the forehead. And down the bridge of the nose. And we're gonna go in with the number 7 right along the edges. I'm going in with the Morphe as my foundation color, 5.45. Today I'm going to use my Real Techniques. What brush is this? Oh, it's a setting brush, the Real Techniques setting brush, and start blending out up under the eye. I know I don't really like a bright concealer, so I like something that's a little bit more natural. I wouldn't suggest going more than 2 colors lighter than your skin tone. I wouldn't suggest it, but who am I? From here, I'm going to blend out the color on my cheeks, the darker color. And around the perimeter of my face. And to add a little bit of contour, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place number 2. I'm going to buff that out. And you always want to buff upwards. You don't want to drag that down. Now we're going to go in with my Makeup Forever and set up on the eyes. Make sure if you have any creasing, if you crease, to get a beauty blender and get those lines, those crease marks out of from up under your eyes before you set. You don't want to set creases. From here, we are going to smudge out the bottom line. Now I want to warm up the face, so I'm going to bronze with my Glamabronze Color Supreme. Bring a little warmth back. So now for one of my favorite parts is my highlighting stick. I use the color Black Pearl and just stab it on the highest parts of my cheek. Now alone, that concealer, the Juvia's Place concealer that we used, does a great job at giving a natural skin look. This just takes it to another level for me with the Glass Skin highlight. Love this stuff. I'm gonna go in with a light peachy blush. Now for the lip, don't get it twisted. We already know we're doing a new lip. But you can do as you wish, as you so please. You can do whatever kind of lip you choose. She, her, me. Well, you know what she's doing. I'm gonna go on my BFF number 4. And the color we are going for today is gonna be Pink Plaid. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna do a little pink. It's not a bright pink though. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Look at me. I went out, I got little chopsticks, you know, little little big hoops and stuff like that, and put on a little, not much, but I did change my clothes just a little bit for you, just to bring the look together. I really like the way the look turned out. It's not as brash and bold as I expected it to be. The color, I mean, it's bumblebee yellow. It is indeed that, but hey, I really like the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this time with me as I've enjoyed this time with you. Comment down below if you would try this look. I would definitely link all of the information in the description box below. Again, thank you, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.